It's Simpol time, and this is Chef Tatong, and today we are making a very simple and healthy recipe for you. I'm sure you will enjoy this. Let's get cooking.
Simpol, simpol, luto na ha.
This recipe is part of our Simpol cookbook series where we try to make cooking as simple as ABC. So we have 2 pieces of chicken breast, skin off. I just cut it up into 1-inch cubes. And I will just add all my vegetables into this. Ginger. I have celery. I have carrots cut into florets. I have white onions. I have shiitake mushrooms. So this is dried shiitake mushrooms that I soaked in water to rehydrate. I also have Chinese sausage, but this is optional. And I have 1/2 cup of UFC whole mushrooms, 1/2 cup of young corn cuts, also from UFC. Season this, it's very simple also. So I have 2 tablespoons of dato puti oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of silver swan soy sauce, a teaspoon of sugar, yes, just to balance the flavors, 1/2 teaspoon of white pepper, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. So you can even add fried tofu here or fish cakes. You can even make a seafood recipe with this. So we just transfer it into our... And I have my steamer. My wok is steaming with very hot water. And let it steam for around 20 to 25 minutes. And it's almost cooked. We're almost reaching 20 minutes. Steamed chicken and vegetables. But just to finish, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add a bit of bok choy. Lagay lang natin. Pero may konting greens tayo. Yan, let it steam. And I will just drizzle some olive oil. Around a tablespoon or 2 to give it a nice Asian aroma. Cover that up and let it steam for a minute and we'll be done. And our steamed chicken and vegetables are done. Beautiful and surely a very hearty and healthy meal. Yeah, look at that. And here it is, a very healthy and hearty meal for you, prepared by us today. Try it at home. Oriental steamed chicken and vegetables. Tandaan nyo, kahit sino kaya magluto, basta simple! Mga ka-simple, remember, loving is sharing. Kaya share this video and like nyo na rin. Kain muna ako. Bye!